Good afternoon, I'm here at 9 Lambert Street, better known as the Monterey development. We're up on level 2. Today we're going to take you through a number of different residences, the first being 201. This is our standard 4-bedroom layout. It has been converted into a luxury 3-bedroom for some of our clients not needing that 4th room. So you'd be walking through the front door here, and as we come out of the hallway into the lobby, you'll see these concrete dots on the ground. That is where our load-bearing walls will sit. Obviously, the wall to the right, we've got a beautiful, nice big bedroom. We've got living room, dining room, and then the kitchen over here runs all the way across. Naturally, where our kitchen bench and the island bench sit, we're talking about roughly 3 meters of length there. This is the view that you're paying for. So even on level 2, understanding that we've got the hoarding in front of us, you really get an appreciation of just how high off the ground we are. Now, standing on this floor on level 2 alone, we're roughly looking at an 8.5, 9 meter elevation because of our podium floor. The white area that's covered at the moment, that is our balcony. So we've got sliding glass doors that will open on both sides from the kitchen and the living and dining room. Behind us, the master bedroom is conveniently positioned away from the living area. It does have its own ensuite and its own walk-in robe. So this little gap here would bring you through into that space. Behind as well, with the other 2 bedrooms, are serviced by their own bathrooms. So one of the unique things about the 4-bedroom layout is you actually do get 3 bathrooms. If you are to convert the 4th bed into a large office or an MPR room, then all 3 bedrooms will be en-suited. 153 square meters in total floor area. It's got a wraparound frontage of over 20 meters, which is unheard of for apartments. And these properties are priced from $1,099,000. Now, we have just adjusted the half floors up higher. So what that means today is we're actually reducing the number of these apartments in the building from 9 on the northwest side, and there will now only be 5 of these available, 2 of which are already sold. So guys, if you're interested in a really good 4-bedroom corner apartment with fantastic views and an amazing outlook of the Brisbane city and the Story Bridge to the north, give me a call today.